Hey guys, welcome to the Nairobi Natural channel. If you're someone who experiences dryness and flaking when you have a protective style, this might be the video for you. In this video, I would like to share my routine for maintaining my box braid style. For this routine, you only need one thing, and that's your favorite scalp oil. I am using my Infused Ayurvedic oil. There will be a link in the description for oil recipes. I didn't have a specific frequency when it comes to the oiling. I oiled as needed. Whenever my scalp felt dry or flaky, that's when I would oil. Sometimes that was only once a week, sometimes that was more. When it comes to the application, I use the partings on my scalp to guide me. This is one of the advantages of stretching my hair before installing braids and using an edge control gel. My partings are defined and it makes it easier to apply the oil. Once I'm done applying the oil all over my scalp, I like to go in and massage my scalp gently. I think this is my favorite part, to be honest. It feels amazing. That's it guys, I am done and I'll see you all later.